Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
This is Byt Ul Firdous Islamic English channel, and I am your lecturer, speaker and presenter, Dr. Taj Firdousi. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessings and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on you forever and ever and ever. With regard to Adhan, let me remind you that this is the only first thing that we start our prayer with. Adhan is the call for the prayer. The man who recites this and calls this, reciting Allahu Akbar, is Muazzin. Muazzin stands on a high elevated place so that his voice can go round and round and people can hear and come for the salam. The meaning is very simple about Adhan. It says Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest, God is the greatest. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. I bear witness that la ilaha illallah, there is no other God except but Allah. Ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his messenger. Hayya ala salam. Come for the prayer. Hayya ala salam. Come for the prayer. Hayya ala falah. Come for the welfare. Come for the welfare. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. La ilaha illallah. There is no other God but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, except there is only one God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So with this call, the people start coming to the prayer to pray in the mosques. And then this Adhan is the first thing people hear before they start their prayer. If Muazzin just says Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, it's okay. Grammatically, the rules and regulations of tajweed and tartil, but this is not Quran recitation. It's something, a melody, and saying that God is great, God is great. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. It's a beautiful thing. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. See the beauty, the sound, how it waves. And the man who listens to it, he feels some kind of attraction and the force. He comes straight away, leaving behind everything. That's it. Well, gentlemen, I have been giving you the different Adhan practices every time. And again, this time you will see Adhan. Please watch and listen and practice. Jazakallah khair.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله. أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله. حي على الصلاة. حي على الصلاة. حي على الفلاح. حي على الفلاح. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله.